friends, welcome to Mithi's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken korma. And chicken korma, for the chicken I have 2 kilograms chicken, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of red pepper. So at this point what we need to do first, we can marinate our chicken. So we add these all spices in it. And with this we can add yogurt too, so it can mix very well. And after we marinate the chicken, we will keep it about like an hour. And while our chicken is marinating, we will fry the onion, and I will show you after the next procedure. So hello friends, now we can start our next procedure. We can fry the onion, and my pan is enough hot, so I have to add almost like a cup of oil to fry the onion. Now I'm keeping on this medium high because our onion is cold, so it can get fried very well. We have to fry the onion like a golden brown. Once it will be on certain, like halfway medium gold, and then we will turn off little bit low, so we can fry continuous like golden brown the way we want it to. We don't need to get too much dark, otherwise it will turn to dark gravy too. So we have to watch onion very well. So at this point you can see that our onion is very well brown, so we will take it out from the oil. At this point we will add our chicken pieces inside. We will keep our heat on medium high so our spices and chicken can cook very good. And you know that we have marinated this chicken, so it will turn out very good. Okay, so now we will let it cook on medium high until 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I will let you see how the chicken turn. So you can see that our spices is very well cooperated with the oil, and it looks very delicious. So I'll show you after 10 minutes. Okay, so I have some dry spices that we have to grind. That I took it like 5 seeds of cardamom and 6 clove, 1 piece of cinnamon, 10 to 12 black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. So you can see that now chicken is cooking last 6 minutes. At this point, we will add yogurt, and yogurt will make our chicken very tender and it will cook very delicious. So we will cook our chicken in yogurt. Also at this point I have like 10 to 12 almonds, and I make a paste that we will add it. And now we will let it cook chicken another 10 minutes, and I will show you how the chicken turns. And I'm still cooking on the medium heat. Okay friends, so we can see that now our chicken is still cooking. So at this point we will add our fried onion that I have crushed a little bit, not like too much, because anyway it will cook with the chicken, so it will be melted very much. And also we will add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut powder, and like 10 to 12 cashews. And since we are adding our onions, so you will see our korma will change the color. You can see that. And also we have to let it cook on medium high. And also at this point what we have done, our all grind spices that we will add it to. After adding these all spices, we will let it cook another 7 to 8 minutes, and I will show you how our korma is turning. Okay, so hello friends, now we can see our chicken korma is ready, and let's see how it's okay. So at this point we will turn off the stove, and let's put some little bit cilantro in it for the garnish, and also just a little bit kevda water. Just like a 1 teaspoon, and it brings very good smells in it. So now we will mix it little bit well, and you can see that our chicken korma turns so well. We have not added any water or anything, so now our chicken is well done. And put it in the serving bowls. So now our chicken korma is ready. For the servings, and also you can eat with the rice or bread, any kind of like a roti, chapatis, parathas, and it's really very delicious. So you can see that. I hope you enjoy these recipes and please follow these tips. You will really enjoy that. And thank you for watching. See you again with another very simple and easy recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.